Welcome to the role of software architecture. In this presentation, we will explore four essential topics. First, we examine the big picture, what software architecture really means and why it matters. Then, we discover the main architecture types used across the industry. Next, we look at a real-world architecture through a concrete, layered example. Finally, we define our aim, what you will learn and master by the end of this course. Let us start with the big picture. Software architecture is about structure and decisions. On the left, you see the logical architecture, components, services, and how they communicate. On the right, the physical architecture, servers, networks, and deployment. The architect bridges both worlds. Every arrow here represents a decision. Every box represents a responsibility. The star marks the key insight: architecture is not about code. It is about the relationships between components. Number 1. Monolithic architecture. The original model. One single block contains everything: user interface, business logic, and data access. This was the standard for PC applications, popular because of video games. Simple to build, but hard to scale and maintain as the system grows. Number 2. Layered architecture, also called N-tier. The system is organized into horizontal layers: presentation, business logic, and data. Each layer only communicates with the layer directly below it. Clean separation, but can become rigid. Number 3. Client-server architecture. Two distinct roles: the client requests services, the server provides them. The foundation of the web. Every time you open a browser, you are a client talking to a server. Number 4. Pipe and filter architecture. Data flows through a pipeline of processing stages. Each filter transforms the data and passes it to the next. Think Unix commands chained together. Powerful for data processing and streaming. Number 5. Event-driven architecture. Components communicate by producing and consuming events. No direct calls, everything is asynchronous. Highly scalable and decoupled. The backbone of real-time systems and message queues. Number 6. Model View Controller, MVC. Separates the application into three concerns: the model holds the data, the view displays it, the controller handles user input. The most widely taught pattern in web development. Number 7. Service-oriented architecture, SOA. The system is composed of independent services that communicate through well-defined interfaces. SOA evolved into microservices and led directly to cloud computing. And then came DevOps: no modeling, missing architecture, a waste of time and effort. Now let us examine a real-world architecture. Here we have 5 layers, from top to bottom. The presentation layer handles what the user sees. The application layer coordinates business workflows. The domain layer contains the core business rules. The infrastructure layer manages databases and external systems. And the cross-cutting layer handles security, logging, and monitoring across all layers. Notice, each layer has a clear contract with the next. No shortcuts. No spaghetti. That is architecture. Finally, our aim for this course. You will understand architectural patterns and when to apply them. You will learn to evaluate trade-offs between performance, scalability, and maintainability. You will design systems that are modular, testable, and resilient. You will read and create architecture diagrams using standard notations. You will analyze real-world case studies from industry. You will practice hands-on architecture design in team projects. And above all, you will think like an architect. See the big picture. Make decisions that last.